was young, I wanted to be a lawyer because I thought I was a good person to debate and argue. But over time, and after I passed law school, I started to realize that it wasn't about debating. You have to represent people and their troubles. And I started out, actually, in my career working for insurance defense firms. And working for insurance companies was an eye-opener for me, something that I really felt uncomfortable with. I saw the way that insurance companies treat people, and I saw the way that they were focused on the financial aspects of benefiting them, even to the point where they're unfair. And I decided not to be a personal injury lawyer, and I was going to go into securities litigation. And then I met the owner of the firm that I now own, and he convinced me that I should come and be with his practice for a year in personal injury. He convinced me that there's a quality of personal injury attorney out there that can lend themselves to helping people. And after a year, if I didn't like it, he said I could leave and he'd pay me handsomely for the year that I was there. So I stayed for a year, and then we had a meeting, and he said, well, what do you think? And I said, I'll never go back. I like what we're doing. I like how we're helping people. I like how we're focusing in on people's needs. And so why I became a lawyer is actually sort of a morph from thinking I wanted to be a hotshot to actually helping people and really trying to affect successful outcomes for their cases. They're confronted with things that are very challenging for them when they're involved in an accident, particularly a serious accident. And so it's my opportunity to give them a roadmap based on our experience of how to get through this, console them when they need to, be a part of them and their family. In fact, many of my clients are like my family after a case is done because we've put so much into it to get them to a place where they're comfortable. So that's why I became a lawyer, why I still am.